Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on where you are. I trust God has kept you all fine. How are you doing? Anyway, guys, it's afternoon here. My God, I love my nails. I don't know if you can see. I don't know if you can see this. Anyways, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're so welcome. If you're returning, asante sana. Thank you for always coming back to support your girl. Guys, we are on the road to 5K subscribers, and for sure, if you're watching me and you have not subscribed, because a good number of you people watch me, but you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscription button and you be part of this beautiful family. Anyways, guys, so I did a video about my brother's house. It's an incomplete house, yes, but I've done a video about it. If you haven't yet watched, please check back. You will see that video. And I know it will grow slowly by slowly. The views are not so coming, but I do believe that as time goes on, people pick more interest, and I appreciate for each and every one of you who viewed it, at least commented and even shared. I really do appreciate. So this time around, I had promised to do a house tour, yes, for the unfinished house, yes. So let's go together through this whole journey. Yes. I want us all to be part of this beautiful journey. So I'm going to I want you to see the house tour, and then also we'll keep on updating you on the new developments until the official entry, the official how should I put it? Anyways, up to that official day when we'll be now officially opening the house, and thank God, because for sure God has brought us from very far, and one of these days as time goes on, I promise I will do a video and talk a little bit of me and my background, just a little bit of it. I don't want to bring in so much right now, but you will understand why I am super thankful for this far that God has brought us. Oh my God, it's been a journey. It's been a journey. I don't even know what to say, but it's been a long journey. But anyways, so we are going to watch this video today. So I'm going to, from this intro, we'll go direct to the video. Like, share, comment, and the whole intention of doing these videos is to inspire. I'm so interested in the youth, because this is the time that we need to inject in so much energy in what we are doing. Yes, if you get some money, invest it somewhere. You may not build, you may do business. There's so much to do that that will keep your finances growing, such that you prepare for your old age. In that old age, you will not struggle so much, if I may say. You won't struggle so much like somebody who has wasted their youthful age. And the youthful age is like your strongest age, that time when you have the energy to do everything. So do whatsoever it takes to invest, make money, and use it rightfully. For the young couples, please make rightful decisions. Yes, make rightful decisions. Don't just, keep on, let's go out, let's go drink, let's go do this, and yet that money can actually do something that, will bring in more finances into you than waste it. Anyways, I'm not here to, I'm not a motivational speaker, but that's why we're doing all this. So guys, let's like, share, comment. I love you all. See you guys in another video. I love you all and appreciate you all so much. Okay, so before we get into the inside or the interior bit of this house, I would like us to first of all go around. Yes, let's cover the exterior side of this house and then get in. So this house is 3-bedroomed house. Yeah, it has spacious rooms, and above all, love the windows. They are those big size windows. Is it big size? Okay, they are wide enough, which helps to bring in the natural light in. It will actually also help in the aeration. Yes, and then to the view of this place. So for those who are in Uganda, this is actually in Entebbe. Yes, this is in Entebbe. So most people know Entebbe. When you mention Entebbe, they know the airport, but this is in Entebbe side. I won't really mention where exactly, but it's in Entebbe side. So this is the back side of the house, as you can see. Yes, and then the other side, as you can see, is this is the outside toilet. Yes, this one usually helps out, especially when you have visitors, and then so you have employees who help out with the activities here and there, and as well as the people at home. You know that those days when maybe you run out of water, and maybe even the reserved water is done or something of a kind, or you just want to save some water. Yes, so there you can see the views are really beautiful, and to make it even more nice is the fact that this place has very fertile soil, and those are the banana plants and other plants, as you can see, and this place has a very good fresh air flowing in. So anyways, without a further ado, let's get into the house. Is this room for
rice, foodstuffs?
Okay, so this is the store.
This is the store.
Okay.
So here is a kitchen, but I'll be having an outside kitchen.
Okay.
Here will be cooking.
Okay.
No smoke.
Okay. So this is basically only gas. Yeah. This is the dining.
Dining connected to the sitting room.
Okay, so it's an open. Okay, it's sitting room. Oh, the living room. I don't know how you people call it.
Welcome.
And this will be the main entrance, right?
The main entrance, yes. The main entrance.
Okay. Okay. I love the fact that the windows are so big, so it gives natural light as well. Okay, here we go. Okay.
My son is going this is a corridor leading us to the girls' room. This will be my girls' room.
This is
so as you're female, you're here. You come as a visitor, you're female, this is your place.
I assume there will be deckers here.
Deckers will be a school dorm.
So these ones, there are also 2 windows here, and they are super spacious.
Yes, and this side will be a wardrobe. So put here this side your wardrobe.
Wardrobe.
Yeah.
Okay, for the girls.
For the girls. As long as you're female, this is your room and your my visitor.
And these windows will be which kind of windows?
Sliding windows.
Slide. I hope the girls won't slide out.
No.
Because
I have a tough dog outside there. I have a tough dog.
And this one here?
Bathroom. Bathroom stroke toilet.
bathroom and toilet. Wow, it's actually very spacious, and these are high ceiling.
Yeah.
It's a high ceiling.
So this is a bathroom, that's a toilet, that will be shared.
Okay, it's shared.
Then I'm feeling front I will come. The viewer is the bathroom.
Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You're coming. Yeah. This is the boys' room. I see my son is already jumping. Yes.
The wardrobe. So what? The boys' room seems to be.
No, these boys will have to go and they can't sleep in boys' quarters. They have to make the room smaller.
So the boys' rooms are smaller because they don't live
They
forever.
won't be here forever. They will have to go and they will tell me, Mommy, I want to go and sleep in my boys' quarter. Yes. So that's why we made a small room for them to feel uncomfortable.
Okay, so that they can leave.
Yes, when Jason says, I can't manage. Let me go and sleep in a special room. I say, you have to a small boys' quarter also there.
This is the view. Meanwhile, every room has a very beautiful view. You can see outside. There's even a school up there. I'm sure some people's kids will be going there soon. Rafa, will you be going there? Will you be going there? Okay. This is master bedroom. It's a must. Indeed, it's a master, as you can see, or you can tell. The ceilings are super high, and that's what I love about this place. So first, so good. There are 3 windows. Wow. So this one has 3 big windows. Let me give you a full. Let me see if I can get a full view of this. So I'm at the corner, and as you can see, so this is the wardrobe area, right?
Yeah.
And this one here is the toilet, bathroom, plus jacuzzi. Oh, it's a jacuzzi. Jacuzzi. They also have so this one also gives you a very good view of the entire area, as you can see. And guys, there is a very refreshing breeze in this place. The air is so fresh. Like if you're from Kampala, you arrive here, whew, you wash away all the stress, and the wind just blows away all your stress of the day. So guys, thank you for watching the video.